At Rent for Event, we're not just about lights and sounds. We're about creating experiences that touch hearts and inspire action. Today, we're proud to share the story of our collaboration with One Legacy, a remarkable organization dedicated to saving lives through organ, eye, and tissue donation. One Legacy planned to hold 2 memorable events in a row. For their first event, it was a moment of pride and planning. They gathered to reflect on a year of life-changing impact and to look forward to new horizons. To ensure that their guest speaker on stage would be heard clearly, we installed our state-of-the-art L-Acoustic Siva audio system, complemented by Shure Axient mics.
And so we want to look at tonight as a celebration of life. And this year we have 34 Fluorograph honorees.
And 3 large 10x6 screens to show significant moments of the past year. Our 50 lighting fixtures illuminated the venue, setting the stage for inspiration. Their emblem of hope, projected onto the walls with specially crafted steel gobos, stood as a beacon of their commitment to donate life. 2 confidence monitors, a professional clicker, and a speaker timer ensured their presentations were flawless. As the new year approaches, the second One Legacy event began, the New Year's Party. We set up a stage and decorated the hall with black drapes. We also installed 2 massive 16x9 screens. A DJ energized the crowd with tunes spun on our top-notch Pioneer equipment, making their New Year party fun and memorable. For 2 special days, our Rent for Event team joined forces with One Legacy, ensuring every aspect of their events was executed seamlessly, from the first sound check to the last dance. If you want to see more of our AV production, like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in our next event.
Rent for Event, nothing but performance.